मैंने शुरू किया था जब मैं 8 साल का था। सबको पता है इंडिया में कितने लोग क्रिकेट खेलते हैं। मुझे नहीं पता था मैं खेल पाऊंगा या नहीं, इंडियन टीम में पहुंच पाऊंगा या नहीं। अगर आपको क्रिकेट में कुछ हासिल करना है तो डेडिकेशन और हार्डवर्क के अलावा कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है।
जिस दिन पैशन खत्म हो गया, I'll stop playing. I'll never want to drag myself for more than my body can take. जिस दिन I feel like I'm standing on the field thinking यार why am I doing this? मतलब वो पैशन नहीं है ना जीतने का, वो एनर्जी नहीं है जीतने की, मैं नहीं खेल सकता हूँ। क्योंकि कभी ना कभी तो बुरा टाइम आएगा। मेरे लिए every match is like a responsibility. My basic thinking is if I'm going into a practice session, I want to learn something. I try to do my responsibility to the best of my abilities. I want to be an improved cricketer even if it's by 0.1% after the end of each practice session. I visualize a lot. I don't go out there to prove anything to anyone. It's a different kind of high. I mean, that's something, it's like a drug. You want to, go after that feeling again and again. That feeling of victory. That's something that you can't experience without, actually being in the moment. I go out there to compete, I go out there to win the game. At the crease when I'm batting, that's where I'm closest to myself. I don't worry about anyone else around me. I hate losing. There's no point putting in so much effort into one thing and then not have the desire to be the best. You have to have that kind of belief. You shouldn't forget it along the way that what made you pick up that bat and actually go out there and wanting to hit that ball. That feeling is something that's very special and very close to me still, and so if I've sacrificed so much in my life to do what I'm doing now, I want to be the best that I can be. It's hard for me to believe sometimes as well that I've got these many centuries in international cricket or one-day cricket separately, and I just try to forget that moment quickly because I don't want to think about it too much and then start doubting myself, thinking that it's come too early for me, because I want to achieve something really big and I want to be known as a player who won a lot of games for India and who scored a lot of runs for the country. So I get that thought and I let go of it, because then I sit down and think all the greats of the game, they start doing that at a very early age. So it's not such a bad thing to start doing that when you're young, and along the lines you keep learning and you'll have phases, but as long as you can stay consistent, I think that's a very good thing.
बहुत यंग लोग मुझे यहाँ पर दिख रहे हैं। मैं एक ही चीज बोलूंगा कि जहाँ पे आप हैं लाइफ में, सिर्फ अपने ऊपर भरोसा रखिए। Believe in yourself and anything is possible. All the best. God bless. Thank you so